Okay, so we're going to have a look at some in painting using Canva for making social media posts, etc. So I'm going to start off today with just a basic Instagram post, and so we can put something out on social media. I'm going to have a look through the images that we have. I'm going to go into elements on the left here, have a look for what the kind of pictures are available. It says see all here, so I'm just going to click through and look for something that might be suitable for adding something to, like, I don't know, just this one. So I'm going to make this fill the uh, whole screen, and I'm going to go to edit photo at the top left here, and I'm going to choose magic edit. And basically, what it says is you need to brush the area of the screen where you want to put the thing. So I'm going to choose this bench here, and I'm going to brush this general kind of area. And there we go. Now going to continue, and then I'm going to put lady on bench, and maybe I should have just put lady, but let's see what it does, because it might put a bench on top of the bench with a lady on the bench. Let's see. So there we go. It's generating now, and wonder what we'll get. And this is all in real time. I'm not editing this down at all. So when you see the picture arrive, that's how long it took. And it's probably now going to take about 12 hours, but it probably won't. But just knowing my luck, the moment I'm recording, it will do something like that. So let's see. So, and we're waiting. So what, we're about 10, 15 seconds now. So I should have timed it, shouldn't I? Oh, there we go. Oh, hello. So there we go. It's given us four different possibilities. The first one, which is put a hedge there. And here it's put a hedge and a lady. You can see if you click on it, you'll see it in the big screen. It's put a hedge there and a lady in front of the hedge. And this one, I think that's probably the better one of the lot. So, I mean, it looks fairly natural, doesn't it? The lady in this one looks a bit small for that size bench. But there we go. So there is our photo all done. So then we click done there. And then, oops, didn't want to do that. Let's go back. For some reason, it's decided to, there we go, stopped being silly now. So then there we go, there's our photograph. So then what we can do is, with our newly in-painted photograph, if you're aware of what goes on in Canva, you know, you can choose the text here, or you can choose these presets. So like we'll choose that one, pop that in there, and we could do something like HAPPY, and then BIR, and then of course we're going to select that and make that smaller so it fits within the text box. You can either keep clicking it or just hold your finger down on the mouse, and there we go. So we've got a happy birthday, you've got the lovely lady on there, and there we go, we're all done. Now, if you want to print this off, you go to share, you go to download, and you choose the setting that you want. You have PNG, JPEG. You also have MP4 and GIF, but obviously there's no moving parts in it. So yeah, we'll just download it as a PNG if that's what you want to do. So that's how you in-paint within Canva.